Welcome traders to another Tickmill trading update with me, Patrick Munnelly. Want to update the S&P 500 view using the emini futures contract and put together a trade plan for the session ahead. Now, obviously this evening we have the FOMC, so we can expect some volatility around that event. Overnight, the BOJ have surprised the markets with a rate rise and slowing their bond repurchase program. And there has been news out of the US regarding lifting of some chip restrictions for countries like Japan and Sweden, which has put a bid under the Nasdaq, and in turn that has seen some positive flows coming through in terms of the S&P 500. We also had month end today, so that can also add to some positivity as we go through the day. But I think the key event is going to be the FOMC tonight. We had Microsoft earnings out last night. Disappointed, but that level I'd mentioned, the 400, 410 level, was regained in the aftermarket. So that is also supporting this big tone that we have developing at the moment. So starting with the weekly chart, we were tracking a correction against this outside reversal candle, which traded up into our target zone of the 5630s, has since traded down through the initial objective at the 5490s, and has now filled that weekly gap into the 5430s. This 5430 level is going to be key going forward, as if we fail there, I think that's going to open up another meaningful leg to the downside. Moving to the daily time frame, this trend line at the 5440s to 5430s has held again, but like I say, more times these levels are tested, the weaker the support becomes, to my mind anyway. And so we've had three or four tests at this level at the 5440s, 5430s. So if we head back down there again, I wouldn't be looking to for it to hold as meaningful support. But noteworthy that we have currently got a volume weighted average price on the daily time frame, which is pivoting bullish. On the weekly time frame, we'll need to see a close now back through 55.64 to suggest that this corrective leg has potentially completed. Moving to the intraday timeframes, on the weekly, we've held the support zone as highlighted. Looking now for a move through the weekly bull bear zone to confirm a local low, tradable low in place anyway, through that 55.45 area, which would set us up to target weekly projected range resistance 55.80s, and then on for a potential move up into the 56.30s. On the intraday hourly time frame, I'm looking for potential resistance here at the 55.30s to the 55.40s, at least going into the FOMC, see a bit of pullback or corrective move back into the daily bull bear zone, which for me is going to be this 54.93 to the 55.03 area. So I'm looking for any pullbacks into this area, watching bullish reversal patterns on the intraday timeframes to engage on the long side, ultimately then looking for a break through the 55.40, 55.45 area, and then on up to test the 50.80, which is that weekly projected range resistance. And any pullbacks from there then should find support back into the current 55.30, 55.40 area, and potential another opportunity then to reload on the long side, looking for a move up to our 5600 and then on to the 56.30, which would be a range extension on the day, and likely we see some profit taking on any move into that area. As I say, if we lose the 54.25 area as support, then we're going to be targeting a move down into the 53.70 to 53.60. And if we do get that pullback into there, certainly I would anticipate some profit taking and potential for a pullback to retest the 54.30s, 54.20s from below. As always, traders, plan the trade the plan, and most importantly, manage your risk. Until next time, thanks very much.